In today's video, we're exploring a fantastic tool that's transforming the landscape of marketing videos. This innovative solution focuses on integrating AI avatars into your content. This tool is called Feedeo AI. This is an AI interactive video generator that helps you to generate leads, showcase your products, gamify engagement, and collect feedback effortlessly. It can be used for marketing, video interviews, VO surveys, product showcasing, and collecting feedback from customers. Let me quickly show you how you can use this Feedeo AI to your advantage for free.
Go to any web browser you're using. For this video, I'm making use of the Google Chrome web browser. So in the search bar here, you have to search for this. I'll leave the link to this website in the description of this video, but this is the website name, feedeo.spreading. Then search for it and you're going to come to this interface like this. To read what is here, we have captivate users with AI avatar powered interactive videos. So that's what we are going to do. I'm going to show you how to create these avatar videos that you can use for your businesses. Then if you see here, they said create and publish interactive videos in 5 easy steps. But you can see a sample of the AI avatar you can use for this video. So for us to get started, you just have to click on the login from the login page here. And if you already have an account with them, you can simply log in using your email address. But if you don't have an account with them, what you have to do is to go down here at the bottom side. You can see sign up for free. I'm going to click on that to sign up for free. Just enter our email here. We're going to agree to the terms here. Click on create an account. Then I'll click on create an account, and here I'm going to confirm that I'm a human. A verification link will be sent to your email address. Your email is verified. Click on enter workspace to go to your workspace, and you'll be prompted with this option, start my product store, and this is how the workspace looks like. So here you can see we have create video at the bottom side here. We have create video here. Then we also have templates here. We have plans and we have home. Click on the template so that we can create a video. All you have to do is to click on that, and you can see several templates here. From the option here, it is categorized into 5 options here. If you click on this is all, if you scroll down, you can see other templates under here. But if you click on marketing, you can see 3 templates is under here. We have NPS survey, we have lead generation, and we have customer support. Under sales, we have contact form, email campaign, and under recruitment, we have video screening satisfaction survey. Under e-commerce, we have video FAQ, we have feedback survey, and under education, we have course evaluation. So let me quickly show you how to create one of these. But let's create a contact form first. All you have to do is click on sales. This is the sales. And here you can live preview it and see how it looks, how it will come out, how it will looks like. Then go back and use the template. But for now, let's click on use this template. When you click on use this template, you are going to come to this interface. When you get to this interface, let me show you how to set up the contact form, okay, using this website. What you have to do is to come over here. You can see here we have design, share, responses. I'm going to show you the use of that later in this video. If you go over here, we have live demo, we have publish, but let's not talk about that now. Let's see how we can set our AI avatar. Here you can select a virtual avatar. You can pick this. If I select any avatar I select from here, is going to appear over here. You can see it's appearing over here. You can decide to upload an image from your device. If I click on upload, you are going to ask this upgrade your plan, one custom avatar. If you want a custom avatar, you have to upgrade to their premium plan, okay, if you want a custom avatar. But now let's select the avatar that is listed here. If you scroll like this, you can see several avatars that we have here. But for this video, let me make use of this lady's avatar as the avatar for this video. So I've selected this lady's as the avatar. You can see it appears over here. Then go down to set your voice. You can pick any voices from this option. All right, then you select your language. At the time of recording this video, it is only English language that is available here. Just scroll down, and here you can simply enter your script. What you want the avatars to say, you can enter it here. And when you are done setting this under video, you go to components. This component overlay over text, you can see this is called basic introduction. That is introducing your brand. Okay, you can decide to display this information over this video. If you select display on video, you are going to see basic introduction. If you want to change it, you can change it here, but I don't like that, so I'm going to toggle that off. You can see it's not here again. Then answer type, which is you can select either a button, a contact info, and a short text. For this, let's just leave it as a button. Okay, then call to action, you can, if you write anything here. For this, let me use continue. If you write continue there, this is what is going to show over the button. So after this avatar has introduce our business, we want the customer to click on the continue button to continue. So that is what you want to write there. If you want to write anything directing your customer, you can simply do that. Then we go over to logic. If you go over to logic, this is where the next page is leading them to. After when they click on the continue button, that is where they should go to. So here we want them to leave their information, or you can tell them you get back to them, but you cannot just get back to them if they haven't leave their information. So we have set a link. Okay, you have set a link. If you click on that, you can set an external link which will direct them to another website or anywhere you want them to go. But for this, you want them to leave their information. So when you are done setting those things, you can simply click on publish. So that is what we are going to do now. And our video has been successfully published. I published this video the first time. This is the second time I'm publishing it. That is why it's showing like that. If you are publishing your video for the very first time, this is the image is going to show and not this. So here you can click on view the link to view it, or you can copy this link and use it on your website or anywhere you want to place the link, asking people, directing them to the your website. I'm going to show you that later in this video, but for now let's click on view the link so that we can see the outcome of this video. So here is the video. Let me play it so that you see how it looks like.
Hi, I'm Jeff from XYZ Design Studio, an award-winning graphic design agency. We create stunning brand identities and marketing material.
So you can see he's introducing your business. Then after, when the AI is done talking, your customer can click on continue, which is the call to action directing them. So let me play this and we'll see the outcome.
Brand and goals, so we can develop creative solutions tailored for your.
Here the AI avatar is telling the customer to leave their information. So for this, let me quickly enter a name here so that I'll show you how to get a response from your customer. Here I'm going to enter my email address. Then you go down here, enter your phone number. Then when you're done, your customer will click on the submit.
Thank you for providing your contact information. We appreciate your willingness to stay connected with us. We will reach out to you as soon as possible.
So you can see that it's even written here, I will get back to you as soon as possible, and that has been submitted. So now let's go back to our dashboard. When you go to your dashboard, you can simply click on share. Here you can share. So this is the method that you can share your video. You can copy the link, share it on WhatsApp, or share it on Twitter, Facebook, and all that. You can embed this link into your website as iframe. You can also embed it as widget into your website. But for you to have access to this particular feature, you have to upgrade and unlock this feature using their premium plan. Okay, it is worth it. All right, but now let me quickly show you how to see your responses. If I go over to the upside here, like I said, you click on responses and let it load. If you click on responses, you can see, if you click on responses, anyone that respond to this is going to come under this place. So this is a very good way that you can get information from your customer. So you can see we have leave your information. You can see the information the person left. Name is this, mobile is this, and email address is this. This is a great way you can reach out to your customers very, very effectively. So now let me go back and show you another template that you can customize. So you can see on your dashboard, we now have a contact form. Okay, we have contact form on your dashboard. You can go to template again and create a lead generation, or you can create an NPS survey as the case may be, email campaign as the case may be. But I don't want this video to be that very long, so let me quickly create an NPS survey. You can simply click on use this template. And when you click on that, you are going to also come to this interface, the same process that I showed you creating your contact information. Over here we have video. You select your avatar from here, select your voice from here, then language, select, write your script inside here. Then let's go over to component. Then over components, we have overlay text, like I talked about in the first template we created. How likely are you to recommend us to your friend or colleague? You can display this on your video. You can click on display over your video and this will be displayed here. How likely are you to recommend us to a friend or colleague? So if the person choose one and this and other, the person can just pick any of this option. Now let's go to logic, and this logic is the next page. If the person pick 0, is going to tell the person this low score feedback. Okay, you can see, you can select all this for your logic. If person choose 1, the person should go to 2A, which is low score feedback. You can set your logic to all this. These are the numbers aligned to this. Okay, and when you're done setting this, you click on the publish and you see the outcome. When the person gives a reply to this survey, you can find your reply under responses, and that is how to use this website to your own advantage. And all this I've said is totally free, except you want to upgrade to their premium plan and have access to other features. So let me view plan and see what is under this premium plan. Under the premium plan, you can see we have free plan, which is the current plan I'm using. Under here we have responses. You can get 50 responses per month, and publish time, you can publish your video, can publish 3 times. Video steps is 3 steps per project. Then under starter, we have 500 responses, and that is just $19.9 per month. It is recommended you can just subscribe to that. It is so cheap, and comparing to what this website can actually do for you. Then we have 500 responses per month, 5 times per month, 10 steps per project. Under pro, we have 5,000 responses. So depending on what you are looking for, this is the subscription plan for this website. Okay, so that's that for this video. Do not forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel for more updates on this website. I'll see you in my next video.